theirs, and they're bragging all over social media about their 100% participation rate. Well, we are going to do that. We can try. My best friend, pretty slam. I know. I was so looking forward to it, but ton of back-to-backs today. No. I think you're verbal craniotomy. No, you're all good. Well, there were two of them. Yep, Dr. Jacobs did them both. Wow, Dr. Jacobs, kicking ass and taking names. Well, you're free as a bird to do that, so flap on over there. Don't forget. I'll make sure he remembers. Oh, thank you so much. No, I don't have fear. As a matter of fact, the only thing that I'm afraid of is that my lack of fear.
Hi, Daisy. Hi. Get it. Hey, go get it. Get it, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Get it. Come on, get it. Don't kick her. Knock her down. もしもし、もしもし。Hi, Daisy.
Yo. 9. You're going to fall off there now, aren't you?
Sounds like a great plan. A college in Oregon getting rid of failing grades to help students overcome so-called GPA fixation.